Welcome to Think Maths. So we have moved on to chapter 2, Polynomials. So what are polynomials? So here this word can be split into poly plus nomials. So poly means many, nomials means terms. So polynomial is nothing but many terms. So now we are going to define the polynomial. So a polynomial is defined as an expression which is composed of variables, constants, and exponents or powers that are combined using mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So here is one condition: no division operation by a variable. So let me explain this with an example. So let us take one example: ax plus b and x divided by y. So here first example, ax plus b. So here all the conditions are satisfied. That is, we have variables, that is x is a variable and a and b are constants. So and it has the mathematical operations addition. Okay. So this ax plus b is a polynomial. Here the next they gave x divided by y. So this is not a polynomial because here a variable is divided by another variable. So that is x should not be divided by another variable. So we can write as x plus y or x minus y. Okay. So this can be followed, but x divided by y is not allowed in polynomials. Okay. So ax plus b is a polynomial. X by y is not a polynomial. That is, terms must be split by plus or minus. Okay. So next we are going to see what are variables, constants, powers. So what are they? Okay. Terms. So their definitions are to be followed. So terms. What do you mean by terms? So term is nothing but a number or variable or both. Okay. So let me take one example for terms, that is 8x square 5x. Okay. So here this 5 and 8 are called number part coefficient. So the coefficient of x square is 8 and coefficient of x is 5. Okay. So in the same way, this x square, x, they are called variables. Okay. So next one, constant. So constant is nothing but a number or symbol that have definite or fixed value. Okay, there is no change. So 3, 5, 4, pi. So they are all example for constants. Next is variable, a symbol used for a number. Okay, so x can take any values. Okay, they will change. Variable will change. X can take any values and y can take any values. So they are called variables. Next is coefficient. So coefficient is nothing but a number or constant present before a variable in an algebraic expression. Okay. So here the coefficient of x square is 4 and coefficient of x is 1. Okay. So they are called coefficient. So what is the difference between constant and variable? So everybody will have friends in college, schools. Okay. So this friend is a constant. So you have friends. Always you will have friends. So this is a constant. But those friends will not be of same type. So some will be talkative, some will be roaming. So they are called variables. Okay. So this is an example for constant and variable. Okay, now let us go to the next topic, that is degree. What do you mean by degree? So degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable in polynomial. Okay, so there is a polynomial. So let me write a polynomial: 4x square plus 3. Okay, so here x is the variable, so its highest power is 2. Let me take another example: 5x cube plus 4x plus 1. Okay, here x is the variable, its highest degree is 3. So another example, 5x square plus 8x to the power 6 plus 5. Here the highest degree is 6. Okay, it is not that first place. So we have to check all the terms. So which term has the highest degree? Here the second term has the highest degree. That is, they have not arranged in order. So we can arrange in order. That is 8x power 6 plus 5x square plus 5. So in any way, for this polynomial, its highest degree is 6. Okay. So now we can categorize the polynomial on the basis of terms. So before that, a polynomial has terms, constants, variables, non-negative powers, and is in standard form. For example, let us take a polynomial 3x square plus 8x plus 7. So in this, the terms are 3x square, 8x and 7. So they are all terms. So what are constants? So the constants are 3, 8, 7. So variables. So variables are nothing but x square, x. Non-negative powers, that is power. Here x square. So the power is 2 and 1. So the power should not be negative, that is non-negative. 0, 1, 2, 3 should be followed. Okay. So they are in standard form. So if these things are followed, then the polynomial is in standard form. Okay. So next one, we are going to define the polynomial, that is in equation ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial where a, b, c are real numbers and all the exponents of x are non-negative integers. So here the constants a, b, c. So they are all real numbers. So real numbers means it can be whole number, natural number, rational number, irrational number, that is 1 by 2, root 2. So any value can be allowed for a, b, c. Okay. So a, b, c are real numbers and exponents. So exponent should be non-negative, that is only positive value. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 are allowed. So next we are going to categorize the types of polynomials. So on the basis of terms. So that is ax square is a term, bx is a term and c is a term. So we are going to categorize the polynomial on the basis of terms. That is, if there is one term, then it is called a monomial. Mono means 1. So 2x, 2, 5x cube minus 5y square. So these are all examples for monomial. So next is binomials. So bi is nothing but it means 2. Nomials is terms, 2 terms. So bicycle, you know bicycle, it has 2 wheels. So in the same way, bi is nothing but 2. So 2 terms. So if a polynomial has 2 terms, that is x square and x, then it is an example for binomial. Then here y to the power 41 is a term and 6 is another term. So 2 terms. So it is an example for binomials. So next one is trinomials. Tri means 3. So you know triangle, it has 3 corners, so it is called triangle. The same way trinomials means 3 terms. Okay. So here x square, 3x plus pi. So x square is 1, 3x is 2 and pi is third term. So 3 terms. So it is called trinomials. Okay. So on the same way, we can categorize the polynomial on the basis of degree. Okay. So degree is nothing but highest power of the variable. So first one is linear. The highest power is 1. Here x to the power 1. Its highest power is 1. Those polynomials are called linear. Next is quadratic. Quadratic means if the highest power is 2. 8x square plus 3x. Here the highest power is 2. Those polynomials are called quadratic. Next one is cubic. Cubic means 3. So if the highest power is 3, then it is called a cubic polynomial. So we have categorized the polynomials on the basis of terms and on the basis of degree. Okay. So next, what is 0 of a polynomial? Okay. So let me take a polynomial 4x minus 8. So 0 of a polynomial is nothing but if we substitute some value for x, okay, then we should get the answer 2. Suppose I take p of 2, that is I substitute 2 for x. So 4 into 2 minus 8 will be a 0. That is 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. So nothing but value of a variable. So x is a variable. So we are substituting some value, that is 2, by which a polynomial becomes 0. So this polynomial 4x minus 8 becomes 0 when you substitute 2 for x. Okay. So this x is a variable. So we are substituting a value 2 for this variable x. When we are substituting this, we are getting the answer as 0. So this is called a 0 of a polynomial. So we can define as p of x equal to 0 is nothing but 4x minus 8 is equal to 0. So 4x will be equal to 8. When this minus 8 comes to right hand side, it becomes plus 8. So x is equal to 8 by 4. So this is nothing but minus of minus 8 divided by 4. Okay. So this equation is nothing but ax plus b. That is 4x minus 8. So here we got 8 divided by 4. So this is nothing but minus b. Okay. So that is we got plus 8, that is minus. Here b is minus 8. Okay. So minus b. So x coefficient is a. Here the coefficient of x is 4. Okay. Divided by 4, it is nothing but a. So 0 of the polynomial is nothing but minus b by a. That is minus constant term divided by coefficient of x. Suppose let me take another example. P of x equal to 3x plus 2. So if we need to find the 0 of the polynomial, then if I substitute the formula minus b by a. So here minus b. So the b is 2 here. So minus 2 divided by a is 3. So minus 2 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So let us check. So p of minus 2 by 3. So instead of x, I should substitute minus 2 by 3. Okay. So just a minute, I will erase this p. So 3 into, instead of x, we are going to substitute minus 2 by 3 plus 2. So these 3 gets cancelled. So minus 2 plus 2. So which is equal to 0. So we can easily find 0 of the polynomial using this formula minus b by e. Okay friends, that's all for this session. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, just like, share and subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get the notification whenever I upload my videos. So in the next video, we will discuss about the graphical representation of the polynomial. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your support.